Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the NET SDK and Vscode so you can compile and edit C hash code. Once done, open a terminal and run .NET version to confirm the SDK is active. Then install the Microsoft C hash extension inside Vscode. Make sure the extension loads and OmniSharp starts. If you want advanced features, add the C hash dev kit. These steps give you the runtime, compiler, and editor integration you need to run C hash projects locally. You create a new console project with .NET New Console and My App, and then open that folder in Vscode. Once opened, let the C hash extension restore NuGet packages and generate necessary assets. This enables debugging. Make changes to program, CS, and save. For execution, you can run .NET Run in the integrated terminal or press Run in Vscode to start under the debugger. If breakpoints matter, set them first. Then start debugging to step through code and inspect variables. You finalize by building with .NET Build to catch any compile time errors, then configure launch. JSON if you need command line arguments, environment variables, or alternate targets. Once configured, use F5 to debug or use the terminal for quick runs. If things go wrong, restart OmniSharp, confirm .NET is on your path, and check the extension output for errors. As a last resort, reinstall the SDK and extension. This sequence ensures you can run, debug, and recover from common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.